Hello my friends, welcome back to my e-estate video. This is the last chance for anyone in e-estate to own a fraction of this Phoenix property that is going to probably get sold out very soon, right? I don't want anybody in my team to miss out on this opportunity. This is the reason why I am reminding you guys, recording this video just before the whole property will be sold out, right? For those of you that are not familiar with the Phoenix property, let me go to my back office and show you exactly what that property looks like. This is what it looks like if you guys are going to your back office to check this on a daily basis, right? This basically is what they are telling you, that this is the final opportunity to purchase your EST in the Phoenix commercial property before this asset is fully allocated, right? If it is fully allocated, it means you won't have anything left, right? And it is going really, really fast. Now, remember that you will be able to make on a daily basis the profit per day between 0.61% to 0.81%, and this will last for 18 months, after which it will default to the second phase of the profit income that you get, okay, which is 10% on annual basis, right? And this will be lifetime income, guys. So you don't want to miss out on this. Now let me go to my back office very quickly and show you how the property looks like. This is the property, right? And if you want to look at the photos, you just click on photos, right? And then you just look through all the photos. This is the commercial property that they are talking about in Phoenix, and this is going really, really fast. Now, if you look at the profit calculator on my right hand side here, right? So the property is called Commerce. If you go into your profit calculator, right? Now, the minimum to start this property or to get a fraction of this property is $10,270. I know this is a small money to some people, and it might be something, too much for some people, which is okay. Everybody's financial status is not the same, but for those that can afford this, please make sure you don't miss out on this, because it is going really, really fast. And the fact that we are able to earn up to $72 on a daily basis, Mondays to Friday, on this property is really good. In a month, we are looking at over $1,500, which is $1,500 for those of us that are in the European countries. We say 1,500. In the US they said 1,500, right? So but this is great. This is really, really great, and you can break even in just 6 months. Now take a look at what's left, right? The allocation that they have given so far, right? They have given up to $442,172 out of $495,000. So what is left is about $52,000, if I am not mistaken, right? So I have pulled up my calculator already before I started recording this video, just to get the accurate amount of what is left. So this is $52,828 left for allocation for this property. So please, guys, if you are in my team and you have not purchased a fraction, a portion of this property, this is the best time for you to do so, right? The link to join is below this video description if you are brand new to this platform. Join with the link below this video description. Sign up, complete your KYC, and then follow the deposit video, how to deposit, and of course how to purchase your property. Make sure you get on this one and get locked into this one, because this one is one of the best properties that they have on level 1 buyer, right? So if you are level 1, this is one of the properties that you need to get as part of your portfolio that you have in e-estate. Now, I don't want to say too much about this, because it's just a video reminder to say the property is going really, really fast, and you need to get on this. Don't sleep on it, right? By the time you blink, the property would have been sold. So Don't sit on this, guys. This is your last chance. I'm not going to record this video twice. I'm only going to record this video once to remind everybody to jump on this particular real estate right now before it is sold out. Okay, if you are brand new, the link to join and the link for all my videos showing you what you need to do is below this video description. If you are already in e-estate, please log in into your e-estate, deposit your $10,270 and purchase a piece of this Phoenix property that is going to get sold out in no time, right? Please don't sit on this, because if it is gone, it is gone, right? Your last chance is this. Once more, the link to join is below this video description if you wish to join e-estate and become a fractional real estate owner. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.